Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a close look on Olly, who is a blogger or an agriculturist blogger. He made a video about the most incredible agriculture machines which were used all around in 2022. So stay tuned. If you're watching this video for the first time, remember to like, to share, to subscribe, as well as to smash the notification bell, so that next time when I upload another video you won't miss it out. So let's just watch what is happening, the compilation which was made by Olly. Well, so this is the class harvesting machine. In my previous videos I made a video about this machine, so you can just take a close look here at this video which is going to appear here. I made a video about this class machine. Let's just take a close look about this machine in details.
Anyway, if you remember from yesterday, we finished Bill and Joe's harvest on the 18th of August, I think it was, but we carried on with our own, and it was all hands to deck. Even Chester was out helping cart grain one day. Then the new grain pusher arrived, so we used that to get as much also got the opportunity to have a demo of a nice cool case which was also black, and we got our baling and making bigger bales than ours, so 120 by 90 bales. This is it arriving.
Rob's back from bed now. You can hear this on idle. It only read.
Wow, this is a very beautiful machine. I would like to have one like this. This is very wonderful. I don't know what is this machine used for. Let's just hear from Olly what he has to say about this machine.
Super quiet.
When it arrived, we really wanted to take it tractor pulling, but they wouldn't let us. But we took our own case. Okay. We met up with the Dusty.
I know this one. I'm familiar with this one. I'm sure everyone is familiar with this one. If you're familiar with this machine, please just give me a thumbnail in this video. Just give me a like and just comment down in the comment section below if you have noticed or if you know the name of this machine. This is the John Deere. I'm sure everyone is familiar with this one. Let's just watch.
Combine sandwich crew as well, and David Jones took our case down the track, and James also brought his crawler over from Lincolnshire that he had wrapped with some flowers, and we couldn't stop him with the sledge until the very last day when we put extra weights on it.
There we go. We're here. Everyone's turning up. So David's just turned up.
What is happening here?
44.94 is off the train.
Is this the farm? Oh. So I think here this is a competition of all the tractors. They are in a competition so that they can see which tractor is more powerful than the other, which agricultural machine is more powerful than the other. So I'm sure they are going to be given different tasks, and they have to complete those tasks so that they can prove that this is the best machine, or this is weaker than the other, or this is the best than the other. Let's just watch what is happening. I like this competition so much.
That's the first track I've heard.
Oh, the other one is coming. He's trying to overtake there. Oh my god. This is very powerful. This is very powerful. See, even the smoke which is being exhausted by this truck. This is very powerful. I'm sure this is a diesel power machine. Oh. This is a very powerful machine. Wow. Here we go. This is another one. Oh my god. Shit. Yeah, this truck is having some hard times in completing the task. I think this is it is a bit weaker one. What is he saying over there? I can't hear what he's saying. Oh. So this should be the most powerfulest machine in this competition. I don't know if there are some other heavy machines which are yet to come in this competition. Let's just watch this one.
Right here, right now.
Kinda powerful.
Here we go. And he's taking with the push.
Martendo.
Box is still moving. On the box stop, we'll see. Alright, kicking the palace again. No, we're not stopping.
Wow, I really like this competition. So hey, did you like this video? Congratulations, you made it into this video. So in order for you to watch other videos related to this channel, related to this other one, make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, you turn on the notification bell so that next time when I upload another video, you won't miss it out. Thank you so much. Have a good day.